I work from home and I don't get dressed during the week unless I'm really going somewhere. That's why I got on these Christmas pants. This is what I be working in. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing this here NOVISTRETCH bra. A couple of months ago, y'all know I posted the 6-month review on the Dodge Charger. Took it for a little road trip about 3.5 hours away. And when I got back, I had a bunch of rock chips on there. Well, this is going to solve that problem. So this is kind of like a temporary fix. I think eventually we may look into getting a clear vinyl overlay or vinyl protectant on the front of the car. But this was a really last minute decision and no way I would have gotten an appointment that quick. So we just went ahead and ordered this. It shipped really quickly and it arrived today and I'm leaving tomorrow. So that worked out. So we're going to install this on the front of the Charger. The material is, I'm gonna show y'all everything that came in the box in just a second, but just looking at this real quick here, the material is super stretchy and that's definitely gonna come in handy for us. Before we jump into the actual video, make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure you click that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. This product right here, we are gonna post a link in the description of where you can purchase it if you so choose to purchase one. This is super stretchy, so it's gonna stretch to fit right over the splitter. So it's not gonna get in the way and it's perfectly fine. Now, we're actually gonna be doing some modification to this and I'm gonna show y'all that part in a second and tell y'all why. All right, y'all, so this is the box that the NOVISTRETCH bra comes in. It's called, I guess, front bumper mask, but I'm gonna call it a bra. This joint is pretty beat up. I don't know what they was doing. It was chewing on this joint on the truck or what. But anyway, this is the box that it comes in. You also get like some little cards in the box, but we ain't worry about them. You got your instructions that came in the box. So this is the hardware that came in the box, y'all. Don't worry about my nails. Don't worry about it. It's not your business. I'm gonna get them taken care of. I'm just gonna do it with the polish. That's not my thing. So this is what came in the box, you guys. We have a few snap head screws. It actually came with 4 of these, but we have already installed these on the passenger side. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing the driver's side. It also came with 4 of these J clips as well. And again, 2 of them have already been installed on the passenger side. So these 2 go on the driver's side. Now, I mentioned in the intro that we were going to be doing a modification to the bra. So this is what we have, these little rings, right? As you all know, we live in Virginia where a front and rear license plate is required. So I have a stow and show license plate holder on the front so that I did not have to drill holes into the bumper. Well, the NOVISTRETCH bra is going to cover my license plate up. And that's not a problem that I'm trying to have at this time in life. So what we're going to do is remove the license plate, not the stow and show bracket, but we're just going to take the license plate off, which it's already off. Y'all can see these 2, this license plate right here. So we're going to cut 2 holes. We're going to measure, obviously, and cut 2 holes in the front of the NOVISTRETCH bra. Use these to secure so that those holes do not continue to rip over time. And then when we're ready, we'll just pop that joker back in and all will be well. So I hope that made sense. I'm gonna show y'all in the video, of course. So let's go ahead and jump into the install. All right, so as you guys can see, currently I have the wheel turned all the way to the right so that I can access this right here because this is where the snap screws are gonna be installed and the J-clips are gonna be installed so that we can secure the bra. So because I have the body kit on the car, I'm gonna have to first remove this little plastic piece here. So if you have the body kit, then you know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna start by removing these 3 tiny screws down here. I'm just gonna use this little screwdriver to just take these screws out. I'm gonna use this flathead screwdriver to remove these 2 push pins. I'm just gonna stick it in this little notch here, and that's gonna allow me to just pop it right out. Boom. So this is actually secured also with some 3M tape, but I'm sure it'll just peel right off. Yeah, there we go. So next we're gonna take this J-clip, y'all, right? It's gonna clip on just like that, except that little protruding piece has to face towards the front of the car. So I'm just gonna clamp this on to the side like so. You line it up with the hole. You don't push it all the way on. If you push it all the way on like I just did, you gotta pass the hole. So line it up with the hole, and that's it. Y'all see how I clamped it on there? You see that? Cool. This is gonna be the same thing, y'all, and it's going on this hole. So I'm gonna pull this part back. I'm gonna take my clamp and I'm gonna stick it right on this white part, and I'm gonna line it up with the hole. Boom. Once you get everything lined up, push this back in place. Just pop it back in there. So now we're gonna put this back on. It go like this. So let me get my 3 little tiny screws. So remember, y'all, this step that I'm doing right now only applies if you have the front splitter. We will only be reinstalling one push pin, and it goes way over here. These 2 here get replaced with the button screw. Nice and tight. Make sure them joints don't fall off on the highway now. Everything is reinstalled. I need to put that push pin back in. Pop. That's it. That's it. So boom. That's done. So now that we have everything installed, we can put the bra on. But remember, we're going to modify our bra so that I can still get that license plate on there. So to put the bra on, you have to pop the hood. Right there. Right there. Bam. Snap button. Number 1. Pop. Number 2. Pop. Like that. Stretch that joint all the way down. Snap. Boom. Snap. Boom. Pull that down. Down. Pull it down. Boom. That's it. So, what I'm doing, and y'all might be able to see this little dot right here. It's a little gold dot. I can feel right here where the holes are for the license plate holder, or for the license plate bracket, the stow and shell. So I got this gold marker here because this is what's going to show up on the black. So I just push this in, mark my holes. I already marked the first one. Boom. Mark the second one. Boom. That's it. That's it. And because this is stretchy, if it's not 100%, it's all good because it's stretchy. So now I'm going to take the bra off. I'm going to take it in the house. We're going to cut it out, cut the holes out, and install these little metal rings so that the holes don't continue to spread. So I got a cutting board right here that I'm using so that I don't slice through to the counter. So I'm just, y'all can see my 2 little gold dots right there that I marked. So now I'm going to take this black piece. This is the cutter piece. And I got this here mallet, right? This is how you punch the hole. So you place the opening over top of right where you want the hole. So I'm going to line mine up right here. And I'm going to hit this a few times to punch a hole.
Okay guys, so we have our holes punched in the fabric here, and we're ready to go ahead and put our grommet on. So this is the outside of the front end mask. This is the inside, obviously. So what we're going to do is take this here. We're going to set our grommet up here like this, and then we're going to lay this down on top of it. And basically what you want to do is make sure, especially with this type of fabric where it's real stretchy, you want to make sure, number 1, that your hole isn't too big. But number 2, that when we put our second piece on top, we want to make sure that it's actually covering the fabric, because that's what's going to make it hold. So now that we have this piece lined up, we can come through with the second piece, set that on top. Now I'm going to take this and get our mallet ready, and basically we're going to push this down on top and then just hammer it. Alright guys, so I have one of the grommets in. What I had to do was take a little strip of tape though and put that down there just to make it more rigid, because the fabric is so stretchy that when I was trying to get this grommet sealed, kept sliding all over the place. So little strip of black tape right here. It's actually some Gorilla tape, Gorilla Glue tape. It's pretty rigid, something like a duct tape. So if you don't have this tape that I have, you can still use like a regular duct tape. So I just put a strip of tape up there. I used the hole punch to go ahead and get the circle in there. This is the inside, so the tape won't actually show. This is the outside. So as you can see, that grommet's in there. So we just need to do the second one. So we're going to take this, have that sitting there. This piece is going to go right there on top of it. And this piece here, you can see how it's a lot more rigid now. That works in our favor, of course. Now we can take our top piece here, put that there, and then we're going to take our punch and go ahead and hammer it in. Like that, got it. Yep. So, sealed. Now, if you want to, you can go through and clean up the tape, but I think I'm going to leave it in place just because it's adding a little bit of rigidity to it that I'm going to want to have. So this is what it's going to look like from the outside. All right, so now we're ready to put it back on and test fit it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so my battery's about to die on this camera, but you guys can see we got it up there. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna get some footage during the daytime as well because it's nighttime right now, and with the garage closed, I can't back up anymore. But you guys can see the end result. License plate is up there.
All right, y'all. So we now have the license plate reassembled, and so the only thing that is left to do, I forgot to show y'all that this was also included, it's a little tiny piece of Velcro. So on the underside right here, there is Velcro, and this literally just is to secure it to the bottom here. So I'm going to be attaching this piece. You peel off the back and it'll expose the adhesive. I'm going to stick it to the bottom of my splitter. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually just take this and I'm going to go ahead and stick it, right? That way I don't got to try to line it up. I'm going to just stick it. I'm going to peel the sticky off. And then I'm just going to let this fall naturally. It falls right there. I'm going to push up on it. That's it. So now, when I want to remove the bra, I will just need to, so, cool. That's it. All right, y'all, so that does it for today's video. Let me know what y'all think. Definitely hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know if you might now be interested in one of these. If you are, make sure you check out the link in the description. We're going to show you exactly where you can go to get you one of these here NOVISTRETCH bras. And as always, thank you so much for your support. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. Did my hair, y'all. I mean, it's flat now from the hat, but got that joint cut, you know, a little something, something. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. We are going to be installing this here NOVISTRETCH bra. So, what he want? See me trying to record. Don't call me no more while I'm recording. Bless you. I'm just playing. Hey, y'all. Just kidding. We took a road trip to Lynchburg a few months ago. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Let me start from the top. Later on, if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check that one out too. This is the tape's still there, but it's all good. So I'm just gonna peel that off. Whoops. Dang, let me not just throw that. Oh my goodness. Good thing it's deluxe. Boom. Boom. Straight like that. Y'all, that's wrong. Ali, you're gonna have to edit that part out because that's not right. Hold on. All right, y'all. I'm back. My bad. Sorry about that.